Hi everyone, Rick Mitchell with you. It is, Tuesday night, time for hardcore weather. A little late, better than never. One of the concerns we have overnight will be the risk that we're going to wake up to some fog across the area, and if that is the case, we will likely see some icy travel again, as we probably could see some black ice. It's not a sure bet that we'll have fog, but there's enough of a chance that if you're watching this, if it's late Tuesday night, you may want to consider setting the alarm a little early for Wednesday morning. Let's talk about what's going to be happening here over the next few days. What do you say we start with the European? And this is going to be the European from 12Z this morning. Let's look at the 500 millibar flow. This is valid Wednesday morning. Have a sharp trough off the west coast, and then a southwesterly flow up across Oklahoma, and fairly broad trough in central Canada. Then as we go ahead 24 hours, that's Thursday morning. Watch with this little piece of energy over the southwest. That's going to rocket to the northeast. It's going to give us a rain chance coming in here on Thursday. May start out as a little freezing rain because Thursday morning temperatures are going to be very close to freezing, but they will warm up. So I don't think that's going to be a huge problem. By Friday morning, that little system's already to the east of us. Here comes a new big chunk of energy digging into the Pacific Northwest. There's Saturday morning. This piece of energy is going to bring down another big piece of Arctic air, and by Sunday it's going to be quite cold. Look at this big vortex, big upper low centered right over Iowa. That moves off fairly quickly. Monday I still think will be pretty cold. And then as we get on into Tuesday, here comes another piece of energy, and this one sets the stage for maybe some wintry weather coming in on Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. And of course Wednesday is Christmas Eve. Let's look at this same model again, but go back and look at the surface features. This is going to be tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock in the morning, high pressure over Kansas City. I think we're going to start off pretty cold, but as we go through time, temperatures are going to moderate a little bit. We'll get above freezing. This is Thursday morning, and we have our system approaching from the west, so we'll likely see some rain breaking out. Notice how we do have some low-level moisture. Could easily see showers, but again, it's likely that we'll have temperatures warming from near freezing to above freezing as we go through the afternoon hours. This is Friday morning. That system now off to the east of us. A little bit of cooling behind it, but not much. Bulk of Friday looks dry here Saturday, and this is ahead of the next front. The cold air is up here. Front comes through on Saturday. I don't know. It may be late in the day. It may be midday. The last front came through early, so I'm gonna lean towards midday on Saturday. By Sunday, the front, man, it's all the way down to Texas. This is cold air. We're going to have highs on Sunday in the 20s. Monday looks pretty cold. There's a big high right over Omaha, continuing to funnel cold air into Oklahoma. And then on Saturday, out to next Tuesday, 1 week from today, here comes the next system, and this one could be the one that produces a little bit of rain, or maybe rain, snow, sleet, something like that, Tuesday into Tuesday night. Let's look at the GFS, and this is going to be the surface weather pattern. This is from 18Z, so it's the lunchtime run of the GFS, and we'll go through time. This is early on Wednesday morning, and again, we'll watch out for a little patchy freezing drizzle or freezing fog, but as the day wears on, I think the bulk of Wednesday is going to be dry. Here comes Thursday morning, and you see the precip breaking out again. May start off as some freezing rain, but as temperatures warm quickly above 32, I think it'll just be mainly showers, and that should end by Friday evening. And that system moves on out Saturday, or not Friday evening, Thursday evening. Friday looks dry, and then here comes Saturday. This is lunchtime on Saturday. Here's the cold front, and it's still back to the northwest. It actually has the front coming through Saturday night. The GFS does, so it slows it down a little bit. So Saturday could end up being mild, or it could be turning quite cold, just depending on the timing of that front. And I'll tell you what, Sunday looks like it will be very cold and windy, but generally dry. Cold on into Monday. We're going to start to see things warm up again on Tuesday. And then here comes the moisture coming in here for Tuesday. I think warm advection. Thicknesses are low enough. That could all be in the form of snow on Tuesday. So if you want to look well ahead, then as we get on into next Wednesday, of course that's Christmas Eve, high pressure builds on in. Looks like it'll be chilly or cold for Christmas Eve. Christmas Day, if this is correct, we're pretty far out there into the future, but looks like we pick up a southerly breeze, and then into Friday looks dry as you're returning all those gifts, and then kind of moderating temperatures for Christmas weekend. So a lot going on. Again, main concern for tonight into early Wednesday will be the risk of some freezing fog. So if you're going to be traveling early, be careful. Watch out for black ice. Thursday's rain, much of it will fall in the form of rain, but could see some freezing temperatures Thursday morning, and then will warm up, and then just a few showers on Thursday afternoon. Friday looks dry. Saturday is the next cold front. Sunday, Monday, brutally cold once again, highs in the 20s. And then Tuesday into Tuesday night could be some snow. Yeah, interesting. Okay. A lot to keep track of over the next few days. We'll be doing that. Hope you checked out the weather blog throughout the day. We had Ryan helping us out. He did some actual live blogging. And if you didn't see that, go back and look all the things that he was typing as the day went on. And I think you'll find it pretty interesting and helpful as well. That's it for now. Hope you check out Eyewitness News 5. Take care. We'll talk to you later.